All right, so this is part of the airfoil simulation project. We are going to design airfoils. So let's say that you were doing a high camber and you adjusted the camber a little bit on it, you adjusted the chord thickness. So you got some things like that. One of the things we need to be able to do is from the shape menu, we're going to go to the geometry section. And as you change these numbers, you'll notice that the numbers in the geometry pane are changing like crazy. So what we want to do is turn this into a model in Inventor. And the first thing we have to do is get all of this. If you notice, you can't, it's working now. Usually you can't, oh, it won't stay. If you try to select this, it goes away as soon as you let go. So what we're going to do is click inside this frame and press the keystrokes Control and the letter A, and then Control and the letter C. And what that does is copy and paste all of this text in that frame into your clipboard. Then we're going to use one of the most powerful programs in Microsoft. We're going to type in Note, and we're looking for Notepad. This is a text editor. And then once we get there, I'm going to paste all of that in there. And I want to get rid of everything except the numbers. So I'm holding down Shift and the arrow key from the top, going all the way down until it says upper surface, and even the labels. I don't need the labels, and I don't need this that says lower surface. So I'm going to get rid of that as well. And at this point, I should only see numbers in this file. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the spaces between the numbers. You notice they don't line up nicely. I want to put this into Excel. So what I'm going to do is to search and replace things. So I'm going to choose Edit, Replace, which is also Control H. I'm going to search for two spaces, and I'm going to replace them with one space. Replace all. Cancel. Control Z, because I pushed it before I should have. Okay. Alternate E and go to replace, which is Control H. And then we're going to go two spaces, replace with one space, replace all. And you should see that the numbers are getting closer together. So you keep pushing that over and over until it doesn't do anything. And then we're going to find the one space that's left and replace it with a comma, replace all. And now we have what we need. So look at this. All the numbers are separated by a comma with no spaces. Control A to select all, Control C to copy. Now we're going to start Excel. We're going to go to a blank notebook, and then we are going to Control V as in Victor and paste. And you'll notice it did not just drop it into columns. They're all clumped together. So we're going to go to the menu item data and then text to columns. And we are going to delimit that by commas and finish. And then that's what we need. We don't need these last columns, so I'm going to select C and D and delete. And then we're going to do File and Save. We're going to look for, I would suggest go to Browse, and we're going to find Inventor, so Documents, and then we're going to go to Inventor, and then the folder that we made for our project. And we have it right now called Book 1, so let's change that to like Airfoil. And I'm going to put -5 because this is my 5th one I've made. All right, so we're going to hit save, and we are done with that step. Thank you for watching.